guys, welcome to Crown Place, Cardiff. We are located a 2-minute walk to the Cardiff University and 5-minute walk from the Cardiff city centre. This is our reception area where you will find our office staff. Heidi is our assistant general manager and she will be here to help with any queries that you may have. And parcels will be collected through our parcel app where you will have a QR code and you can come down and sign for your parcels. We're currently in our social space. The majority of students down here will you can relax, have a chat with friends of an evening. We have pools, we have our table tennis, we have board games. This area is used for the majority of our student events, and that'll be anything from our welcome parties to our board games, our competitions, and this area will be enjoyed by a lot of the students. This is one of our 2 cinema rooms that we have here. Very popular rooms. The students come down, they chill, relax, watch a film, watch a movie, watch a series, and we do hold our sporting events throughout the years as well here. So we're currently in our dining area. This is a very popular area. It's available to book out at reception, so feel free to come down here with your friends. We can have a bit of breakfast together, evening meal, and to celebrate special occasions. So we're currently in our laundry area. It's all controlled online via an app, and this room is available 24/7. This is one of our 7 study areas, and it's open 24/7, available if you want to come down, do some research, or whether you prefer to come down as a group on some group projects. So here we are at our indoor bike storage area. This is locked, so if you do want to bring a bicycle, you can, knowing that it will be safe and secure. This is our gym area. We have a range of equipment for you to use to help keep your mind and your body fit and healthy, and this room is accessible 24/7.